My nigga back. They fired my nigga, now he back. My nigga ain't gotta look up no more. Back up a little bit, nut.
Yeah, they been from the switch, man.
Nah, he know what he doing, bro. Here it comes, cuz. Back up a little bit, cuz. They coming this way, cuz. That's my nigga, cuz. Go ahead, Big Red.
Come out here. He ain't heard nothing I said. You see that? He put it to the side. He put it to the side. Ooh, look at that. That's what it's all
Finish
about.
it up. You got two
You
more
gotta
pieces.
put your right, left in, and your right, left out. And shake it all about. Look at that. Y'all gotta learn something. That's from the old bull. You see that? Y'all see that? Do you see that? Learn a lot from the old uncle. Look at that. Big Red Mill sap.
I split.
Now that's that sap. Look at that sap.
I split one of them in fold.
That's that sap, baby.
That
Round
one right
two.
behind you, Dad.
That's that sap. Ooh.
Hit him so fast it's still standing there.
That's that sap.
You don't even know he did.
Ooh.
Everything.
That's how we do it, baby.